For today's adventure, you're going to need coal, tongs, forge, large log, your fan, your hot, blow dryer, and some safety equipment. Alright, so I filled the forge with coal, maybe a little too high. I put the anvil on top, and that should slowly sink as the coal burns. And yeah, now we ignite this. And then we put in the pipe and turn the fan on. Okay, so once you have burned through the coal, you pick up the anvil carefully. It's going to be heavy. And you place it on the log. And now you wait. I have a bucket of water here, just in case, but that's the last thing I want to use because I don't want to harden / quench my anvil and reduce its durability. Nice thing is it should be cool enough that there shouldn't be much quenching if I did have to use water. For the next step, we need to chisel out this burn zone to kind of create like a cradle for the anvil. I don't have a chisel, but I do have rebar, so let's make a couple chisels. So the first thing I'm going to try to do is make a flat surface on top, so it'll be easier to hit with the hammer later. So that's good enough for me. As you can see, it's trying to bend the whole chisel. But yeah, at least it's flat now, so when I hit it with a hammer, it won't get like glancing hits. It'll be a bit easier. So now it's time to make the chisel portion. So at this point, we've gotten one side done. Now we just have to smash the other side until it's flat. And I'm going to try to do this with one hand. That's probably not going to work. It's already on fire. That's okay. Well, you get the idea. Once you've gotten a decent spike, I guess the last thing to do is you want to straighten it out. So that part's kind of straightforward. So now that they've had time to cool, let's sharpen the edges a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick out the best chisel I made and just kind of dig it in there and start hitting it with a hammer. Obviously I can chisel better than this, but not with one hand. So yeah, we'll see where it goes. Alright, so it's not perfect, but seems to be pretty good. Drop it on in. And it's not moving. It's bouncing a little bit, but I can fix that in a second. I found a couple of screws lying around the house. You know, obviously I kind of wish I had more of these long ones, but both of these should help with keeping it from bouncing again. And there you have it. An anvil extender. Or really should I say an anvil shaped object extender.